Part 1 Umrah. Umrah has 4 pillars. Miss one and it's incomplete. Here's how to nail each. First, Niyyah and Ihram. Wear your Ihram before crossing the Miqat. Niyyah, say it in your heart. Allahumma inni uridu al-Umrah. Oh Allah, I intend to perform Umrah. No need to shout it. Intentions are between you and Allah. Second, Talbiyah. Chant Labbaik Allahumma Umrah. Here I am, O Allah, for Umrah. Repeatedly until you start Tawaf. Pro tip, don't stress about perfect Arabic. Sincerity is better than perfection. Third, Tawaf. Start at the black stone. Face it and say Bismillah Allahu Akbar and begin circling counterclockwise. 7 laps. Walk normally, no running or pushing. In the first 3 laps, men should uncover their right shoulder, Idtiba, and walk briskly, Raml, if possible. Pray anything you want during Tawaf, Quran, du'as, or even silent reflection. End with 2 rak'ahs. Pray near Maqam Ibrahim or anywhere in the mosque if crowded. Fourth, sa'i between Safa and Marwa. 7 trips. Start at Safa, walk to Marwa. 1 trip. Men, jog between the green lights, if manageable. Dua at Safa and Marwa. Inna Safa wal Marwata min sha'irullah. 5th, halq and taksir, shaving and trimming. Men, shave head completely or trim hair evenly. All sides. Women, trim a fingertips length of hair. And congratulations, Umrah is complete. Part 2, Tawaf al-Qudum, arrival Tawaf for Hajj. If you're performing Hajj, Tawaf al-Qudum is your first ritual in Mecca. Here's how it's different from Umrah. First, intentions matter. Your Niyyah here is for Hajj. Say, Allahumma inni uridu al-Hajj. Second, the Tawaf itself. Same 7 laps as Umrah's Tawaf, but no Idtiba or Raml required. No sa'i afterwards, save sa'i for later. It's combined with Hajj's Tawaf al-Ifada. 3. Pray 2 rak'ahs. After finishing Tawaf, pray near Maqam Ibrahim, recite Surah Al-Kafirun and Al-Ikhlas if you can. Pro tips to avoid disaster. Crowd hacks, do Tawaf early Fajr or late at night. Fewer people. Stick to the upper floors, they're less chaotic. Hydration, pack a reusable water bottle. Zamzam stations are everywhere. Use them. Dua list, write down your duas beforehand. It's easy to forget in the moment. Counting laps, use a Tasbih app or tap your finger against your thigh each time you pass the black stone. Common mistakes. Don't panic. Miscounting laps. If you lose track, assume the lower number. Better safe than sorry. Breaking wudu. Tawaf requires wudu. If you lose it, restart the lap you were on. Forgetting sa'i after Umrah. If you skipped sa'i, your Umrah is invalid. Go back and complete it.